This is the thing that's making your life miserable. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick. Definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. 2008 Ford Focus. We're gonna be replacing this little thing, switch that you just saw me doing, and it's not working. So it's not too complicated. It's pretty common problem in a Ford Focus, and let's do it. Anyways, so
you need take, you see, have 1, 2, 3. That's a 5.5.
5.5 millimeter socket.
Oh, somebody do it. Oh, look, somebody take. Somebody take, somebody try to fix. Just put one. That's, see, that's 5.5.
Somebody was trying to fix that.
Yes, that's it.
And that's a small screwdriver you have?
Yes, yes, that's a push inside to take.
A little teeth. Oh, right there. Yeah. Same thing on the other side.
Yeah, that's a. Where is the key?
Right here.
See, that's a, you need moved. Move the mood. Move the mood. You see, that's a.
Yep.
You see, that's a push the teeth inside the keys. You see that?
Oh, okay.
You see, that's a push inside. Push inside on the take. You move another side.
It's the same thing for other side.
Yes, yeah. Look this. Oh, somebody broke.
Somebody didn't know what they were doing.
You see, that's a take.
And that's out. Okay, we can take the key out.
Take the key out. See? Take out. A little bit tricky to take out.
To find a good spot to pull it out.
See, a little bit tricky. So go push inside, take out.
So push it towards the...
Yes. Come now, not this side. Come to get. You see, let's push this.
Disconnect.
Yes, take out. Take out. Somebody used to do it. And you have one teeth in top. You push inside. See this? You see, take this, pull a little bit put out, and go down. Have another teeth.
Underneath.
You see another. You see? It's out.
Oh, that's quick.
You have two teeth. One this, one this.
Oh, that's pretty decent. The one is in the glove box. Or in a cup holder.
See? Teeth and teeth. That's I show you. Look. You see? You need press put inside and like this. And after you push inside. See? That's it. Take that. Here's a little bit more to see. A little bit. don't sit good. That's it. Okay, now sit. Yes, sit. Okay, back.
Connection.
Uh,
Test it out.
Look now, we check. Look, just a
Come on, hold on. Okay.
look now.
Problem solved.
See?
Yep, done.
It's a done job.
Just put the plastics back and that's
Put
it.
plastic back, press the top, down. That's I told you a little bit squeaky. That's a look. You see that's a first put like this.
The tilt.
Yes. Put a little bit down. That's a little bit. Look. Push this. That's a tricky.
And it's back in.
So somebody put.
Someone didn't know what the heck they were doing.
You see? Now sit. And we put the top cap.
Hello.
You remember that's a this.
Yeah.
Put like a
Steering wheel.
that's a this. Yeah, you remember that's a teeth. You see that's a teeth. That's it. That's a teeth seat inside.
Yeah.
That's it. See good. That's and the other side. That's again seat teeth.
Yeah.
And that's it. And
Put the bolts back and that's it. Alright, awesome. And the next video, it's gonna be about probably AC unit because that thing is making some gnarly sounds. I'm gonna be replacing AC pump on this one, or AC